In this video, I will show you how to fix not being able to upload posts or reels on Instagram. So if you're facing this issue, then what you can do is simply click and hold on to your Instagram icon, then go to more features, then go to app info. From here, click on force stop, then confirm it. After that, go to storage uses. Here you can see clear cache, simply click on it. Now once your cache is clear, what you can do is simply try relaunching the app or go to Play Store. In the search bar, search for Instagram. From here, check if there are any updates available. If there is, then simply update your app. If your app is already up to date, then what you can do is simply check your internet connection. Make sure that you're connected to a very stable Wi-Fi connection. And if you're not sure, then you can simply try switching between mobile data and Wi-Fi connection. Or one more thing that you can do is simply turn on your airplane mode, leave it on for about 20-30 seconds, then turn it off again. After that, you can try relaunching your Instagram and try posting your stories, posts or reels. If you think this video was helpful, please like, share, subscribe to our channel and thank you for watching.